Welcome once again guys in my YouTube channel. Today we're going to check electric fan, and this one guys is spinning. It's not stuck up, so let's just power it on and we're going to check. Using this non-contact volt, it's very easy for me to find out if there is a voltage coming to the motor. I'm going to press the number 1 speed. Okay, it has power on it. Number 2, it has also. Number 3, unplug it and we're going to access. Here's the capacitor. It's rated 1.5 UF, 350 watt. Let's check the replacement guys. I have with me a replacement here, and it's rated 1.5 UF also, and a 400 watt. Okay, we got 1.3, not bad. I'm gonna show you that this capacitor is bad. 0.033 nanofarad. It's dead. We're going to replace that one guys. This side here is the starting, and this side here is the neutral or common. To wire this up, the one terminal should go to the yellow terminal, which is the starting. The other terminal, let's swap it with the common terminal. Let's plug this to the AC source. Power on. And number 1. Number 2. Number 3. After replacing the capacitor guys, this one doesn't spin, so we're going to lubricate this bushing, and to do that we're going to remove this gear assembly here, and we need to remove first the swing arm. This one is moving guys. We're going to protect it. Okay, here's the front bushing, and I'm going to remove this one first. So we can easily access the rear bushing. Okay, here's the rear bushing. This is a ref compressor oil, and we're going to lubricate the bushing together with the axle here, or they call it shafting. To lubricate this one, minimize the spill, just use this screwdriver and let the oil runs to it and make it circle like that, guys. And try to lubricate also this one here, and together with the rear bushing. Okay, in my first video, that is Tagalog, I recommend doing this every 3 months to 6 months. It depends on usage. The purpose, guys, is to make the motor run smoothly, because if the cotton pad get dries, so look guys, I only use 3/4 of this cup. So let's return back the 1/4, and let's try to rotate this ball here and the other one. Okay, good.
Sorry ass DJ.
Let's install bucket, guys. Okay, just follow the pattern and let's shoot the rear shafting there, and look, it's very responsive now. And let's install, guys, the front bushing. And install it back. Don't tighten yet. And the other one is here. It should not be like this. Okay, wrong. It must be from this side to this side. Do not tighten yet. Okay, the purpose, guys, is in order for this to have play like that. Next, the other one here. Last here. Okay, by applying torque, if we start here, okay, a little bit, followed by here, okay, again, let's go back here, okay, then here, okay, and after that, these two side here also, okay, and here, okay, and let's check. Okay, it's equal. Okay, guys, to install this one, here, and take note, guys, it has a washer to be put here, and the bolt should be installed upside down like that, and tighten. Okay, there must be a play. And after this, we can now install the gear assembly here. Next guys, this screw here is for the arm swing. Okay guys, after lubricating the bushing, we're now going to test it. And let's press the first speed and next with the second speed together with the number 3 speed. Number 2, number 1, off. If you like this video guys, please support me by clicking the subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be updated just in case I have a new upload feature. And thank you for watching. Until then, God bless.